Every Sunday morning at 6, the church bells rang. Clear, sharp, unquestioned. They told everyone where to be and how to feel. Samuel grew up following that sound, his grandmother's hand in his hay. He learned to sit still, bow his head, and recite words he didn't fully understand. God felt distant, high above. Faith was obedience. As he got older, the bells felt less like a call and more like a command. He saw contradictions the sermons never addressed. One evening, far from home, he heard a new sound. Low, patient, alive. Drums. He followed them to a hillside, where a Nyabinghi gathering sat in a circle. The rhythm didn't command him. It invited him in. It spoke of God not as a distant judge, but as living breath, as justice, as balance. He realized the bells taught him discipline, but the drums taught him belonging. The bells told him about God. The drums let him feel God. It wasn't a rejection of his past, but an alignment with his whole self. Every bell was a step on the journey that eventually led him home.